Question and answer. Question answering is a fascinating application of natural language processing, or NLP. Imagine having a digital assistant that can sift through vast amounts of information and provide accurate answers to our questions, much like our brains process information from a textbook and recall it during an exam. QA systems harness the power of deep learning to understand and interpret human language. When you ask a question, the system taps into its trained knowledge base. It then uses its understanding of language gained from training on massive datasets to generate a relevant answer. This tool helps us explore the question answering aspect of NLP. Let's explore it. Here we have a section for describing the pre-trained model. We can see its name, description, and type. We can also visit the homepage of this model where we can learn more about it. Let's click on this link, and that will open up the page in a new tab. Here we can see information about how the model works and some examples of its use. Let's go back to our tools page. Notice that the language model used in the pre-trained model is Mobile BERT, which is fine-tuned on the Squad 2.0 dataset. BERT, which stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is a deep learning model for natural language processing that understands the context of words in a sentence by analyzing text in both directions. Mobile BERT is a compact version of the BERT language model, and that's optimized for mobile devices. The Squad 2.0 dataset is a collection of questions and answers derived from Wikipedia articles. With this button here, we can load the model. So I'll click it, and let's wait for it to be loaded. Here we have some predefined examples of context. In the question-answer type of NLP problems, context refers to the provided text from which the model extracts and generates answers to user-asked questions. We have two predefined examples, example 1 and 2. The context of example 1 is a passage about famous inventor Nikola Tesla. We can read about him here in this section. By the way, you can bring in your own context passage and enter it here. Next, we can do some question-answer runs. We can either enter our own questions here or use one of the questions provided. Let's try some questions that are already there. We can click this drop-down and we'll select the first question, where was Tesla born? The tool puts the question text into this field where we can use it as it is or edit it. Let's use the question as is and let the model extract or generate the answer using the context provided above. Let's press this search button, and here we go. We get the top 3 answers with their respective scores. The answer with the highest score is Austrian Empire, which is the expected answer as it's in the first sentence of the second paragraph. Let's try another question. This time we select Tesla migrated to which country? And we search for the answer. The top answer is United States, which is correct because it can be found in the second sentence of the second paragraph. This covers how this tool helps us understand the question answering capabilities of the NLP branch of AI and machine learning. Please feel free to play with the tool by trying different context passages provided with the tool or your own, and asking questions from the passage.